Hello, let me show you how you can improve sound quality of your Samsung Galaxy S25 when you are listening through your Bluetooth headphones, Bluetooth speaker, or for example from internal 4 speakers. So go into settings first of all and navigate into sounds and vibration. Right now just scroll for sound quality and effects and start with the Dolby Atmos. So once you actually turn it on, you can actually change some presets. So if you are listening to the music, pick this one. If you are watching some videos, big movie. And if you don't know what it does, basically the Dolby Atmos delivers immersive 3D surround sound, making our audio feel more richer and more dynamic. Now we get another option. There's this sound equalizer. So the sound equalizer lets us adjust the frequencies, like for example the bass boost or mids or treble to match our listening preferences. So we can pick one of these 6 preset, but also we can set into your preferences manually by using custom one. Then we can go a little bit, just right here basically, and we got an adapt sound that we can simply turn on, and here you can find the short description what it does. So we can also try this one. If you are under 30 years old, pick this one. If you are above, pick this one, and you can also customize it. So here you get preferred ear for calls, left and the right, and the sound preferences, clear or soft, and you can even pick the preview, so you have to connect your headphones and check how it sounds. And there's also option to apply this for media and calls, only for media, or for example only for calls. When you go back from this one, we got the UHQ upscaler. It actually improves audio quality by enhancing the resolution of music and videos, and it only works when you connect your headphones. So yeah, this is everything that I can recommend you about quality sound on S25. If you find it useful, please leave a like and a comment below.